Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. This is your host Dr. Pashmina and you are listening to your favorite channel MH Health channel. The topic we are going to discuss is take half cup of kefir before bed to sleep like a baby. So here I want to share this very exciting natural remedy that you can take to enhance your sleep. As you know, sleep is so important and you just take a half cup of this before bed and you will sleep better, and that thing is kefir. Well, it's similar to yogurt, but it's better than yogurt. Kefir has a lot of more microbes. It has between 12 to 50 different strains, where yogurt only has between like 1 or 3 or maybe 4 or 5. And as far as the quantity of microbes, not just the strains. Kefir has 5 times more microbes than yogurt, and a lot of these microbes survive in the stomach acids, whereas they don't with yogurt. Now the real unique thing about kefir is it has not only friendly bacteria but it has friendly yeast, so the combination between friendly yeast and friendly bacteria are very important in their functions. Also with kefir you are going to get less problems with lactose intolerance because those microbes in kefir eat lactose milk sugar. So you are going to have less milk sugar and you are just going to have less symptoms, especially gas, when you have kefir versus when you have yogurt. There's a lot of other benefits with kefir. You'll have less liver fat, you have less allergies, less constipation, an improved immune system, better blood sugars, better blood pressure because of how it acts as an ACE inhibitor. And the last one is less pathogen. Now regarding sleep itself, let's talk about what kefir can do directly for your sleep benefits. Your microbes make serotonin. In fact, 90% of all the serotonin in your body comes from your microbes. So more of the right microbes, the more serotonin. And serotonin is a feel-good hormone. It is a hormone that can affect your mood. It can help reduce stress. Not to mention, kefir makes microbes that can make melatonin directly. Now, there are several things in your body to make melatonin. In fact, all of your cells can make a melatonin. But mainly people think of the pineal gland in your brain that makes melatonin, but your gut also makes melatonin. Both the microbes as well as certain cells, specifically an interesting cell called enterochromaffin cell. That's just a kind of an interesting cell because it's a neuroendocrine cell, so it's kind of a half neurological and half hormone. And those cells make melatonin and they control inflammation. And also they control acids. And kefir makes microbes that make the amino acid, which is tryptophan. Tryptophan turns into serotonin and then it turns into melatonin. So again, another thing that will help you to sleep. Kefir also has a really good source of bioavailable calcium, which can also help you to get to sleep and stay asleep. Now the microbes in kefir also make certain B vitamins, including B1 thiamine, which greatly helps stress, specifically if you're trying to go to sleep and you are thinking and you can't turn it off. B1 is what you need. And the lactobacillus microbe in kefir helps reduce cortisol. Now try to sleep when your cortisol is too high. It's impossible. So anything you can do to reduce cortisol will help you sleep. So that's a quite few things that directly help your sleep that stem from kefir. How to make kefir at home. Put 1 tablespoon kefir grains in the jar. Add 4 cups of milk, leaving about 2 cm headroom if using a clip-top jar, or at least 5 cm for a cloth-covered jar. And then it's turned to kefir when the milk has thickened. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for your support. Please like, subscribe and share this to your loved ones. Allah Hafiz.